Hi, I'm Pat Reese from The Akronist. Downtown Akron is in the midst of one of its largest transformations ever. At the heart of this major redevelopment is the Akron Civic Theater, which is planning an $8.5 million renovation, including complete restoration of the theater, a new box office, and an outdoor deck and giant video screen, along with the creation of an additional performance venue. The Akron Civic Theater renovation is one of 27 projects receiving funding through the Community Foundation's first ever capital grant cycle. The Civic Theater improvements are tied to a larger downtown project called the Bowery, a $42 million effort that will convert a currently vacant row of buildings into housing, offices, and retail space. Also receiving a capital grant this quarter is Stark State College, which plans to build a new commercial driver's license training facility in Akron. The project will include a driving range and space for classrooms. Dr. Para Jones, president of Stark State, explains there is a dramatic shortage of trained drivers, not just locally, but nationally as well, and that these are well-paid positions, starting off around $70,000 a year.
What we were hearing from companies and continue to hear from companies is they have products sitting. Trucking companies can't find enough CDL drivers to move product. They are desperate for quality training that focuses on safety and really prepares drivers to work for them, keep all of us on the road safe, and actually do a great job.
In all, Akron Community Foundation distributed more than $2 million in grants this quarter. These grants included more than $550,000 awarded to health and human services programs like Community Legal Aid, which will receive funding to provide legal services for Akron's refugee population.
We sort of came into relationships with a lot of the refugee community through our work with Akron Children's Hospital, with our medical legal partnership, and it really became clear that what they bring to this community is really significant in terms of the diversity, but also the economic impact. I mean, they really make a big difference, I think, in the long run in the economic success of Akron.
Other nonprofits receiving grants this quarter are the Akron Canton Regional Food Bank, Vantage Aging, Let's Grow Akron, and the Ronald McDonald House Akron, which also received co-investment funding from the Seagren Fund, a donor-advised fund at Akron Community Foundation.
Our daughter was 13 years old and she was on a mission trip and fell and was injured and in a coma in Baltimore, actually. And we were able to stay at that Ronald McDonald House while she was getting her care for a few days.
And because of that, I think too, she's volunteered when she's able to at where she lives in the Ronald McDonald House as well.
During the past quarter, Tom Knoll, co-founding attorney of Stark & Knoll, was presented with the Bert A. Polsky Humanitarian Award. At the dinner event, he implored each attendee to perform an act of kindness, along with announcing the establishment of a new fund that will promote civility and kindness among community members. Akron Community Foundation also was busy facilitating the second annual On the Table Greater Akron, which brought nearly 7,000 residents to churches, restaurants, community centers, schools, and other locations to discuss the issues that mean the most to them. The surveys are being tabulated, and the Community Foundation will share the results in early 2019. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit akroncf.org.